Activating your gift card, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, viewers. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to activate a gift card without making a purchase. Whether you've received one as a gift or you've purchased it yourself, you might be wondering how to activate it without immediately spending it. Let's dive right in.
Why would I need to activate a gift card?
Some gift cards, especially those affiliated with credit card companies, need to be activated before they can be used. This is a security measure to prevent fraud. The activation process is similar to that of a new credit or debit card. It's important to note that not all gift cards need to be activated, but if yours does, you won't be able to use it until it's been activated.
Can I activate it online?
Yes, you often can. 1. Locate an activation sticker. Most new gift cards will have a sticker or a protective film on the card that provides a website or phone number for activation. 2. Visit the website. Enter the URL provided on the sticker into your web browser. Make sure you're on a secure connection. Look for HTTPS in the web address. 3. Enter card details. You'll likely need to provide the gift card number, expiration date, and a CVV or security code. Some websites might also ask for the card's PIN. 4. Follow prompts. The website will guide you through the remaining steps, which might include creating an account or confirming personal details. 5. Confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message once the card is activated. Save this confirmation for your records.
What if I want to activate over the phone?
That's another common method. 1. Call the number. Call the activation phone number provided on the gift card sticker. 2. Automated menu. Most of the time, the phone activation is handled by an automated system. Listen carefully and follow the prompts. 3. Provide card details. Just like online, you'll need to provide the gift card number, expiration date, and potentially a security code or PIN. 4. Confirmation. Wait for the system to confirm that your card has been activated. It's a good idea to save this confirmation or make a note of the date and time you activated the card.
Do I need to keep anything after activation?
Yes, it's always a good practice to 1. Keep the activation confirmation. Whether online or over the phone, it's wise to keep your activation confirmation for at least a few months. 2. Note down details. If you remove the activation sticker from your card, jot down the activation website and phone number. This could come in handy if you face any issues later on. 3. Keep the receipt. If you purchase the gift card, keep the receipt as proof of purchase. That's it. We hope this guide has made the gift card activation process a breeze for you. Remember, always be cautious and ensure you're using official and secure methods when activating any card. Enjoy your shopping, and until next time, happy spending or saving.